Namaskar. In India, Hallo in German, Hallo in French, and Ciao in Italian, and Konnichiwa in Japan. Hello everyone. First, I would like to salute the energy that you have shown today. I am really proud of you. This is the Biryani. This is the Biryani, and this is the energy that we have. And with this energy, we can make any change in this nation, in this world. That is my belief in all of you. Thank you very much. Vasudev Kutumbakam. That means the world is one family. And this message means a lot to us. Because I think this is the right time to celebrate the completion of 1 decade of this organization. And the success that we have, we started with few members in 2005 and gradually we increased the number, and the number has reached 3,600 family members in our team. So this shows the progress, and this progress can only happen because of this message. We are one family. This is the message that we learned in our childhood from our father. He taught us this message. Just never forget, we are always one family. And the second thing, I remember, he taught us, nothing is important in your life than your work. So if you have these 2 principles in your life, you can get success in any direction, in any way. So I really like to salute my father who taught us this message, and from my bottom of heart, I pray and I give my all tribute to my great father who has become the foundation of this institution. And then I would like to give my all regards to our mother, who is continuously giving this message to our family. I would like to request our mother, if you can please stand up, and we would like to do a regards to you. Thank you. Thank you for being with us, and thank you for giving this wonderful message that we are one family. And being as one of the youngest member of this family, it's my privilege to stand here to talk with you, and I give my all regards and thanks from deep of my heart for all of you members. And in fact, to further elaborate the meaning of this message, I would like to explain you scientifically how it can be true. I would just like to compare the message, because genetically this message is belong to the solar system. If you can see that indeed the universe belongs to a family. If you see, our earth is made up of rock and mud, and similarly you can compare that our human body is also made up of bones and muscles. Similarly, you will see the sea, which is inclined around 22.5 degrees to the axis of the sun, and in the same manner our heart is inclined 22.5 degrees to the axis of the body. Similarly, you can see the similarity, the water on the earth and the blood in our human body. And the blood vessels can represent the rivers in this globe. And also there are some examples that the sky, the ozone layer which we have in the universe, if it disrupts, we cannot imagine the solar system. Similarly, we have the nervous system that can represent, if it's break down, we cannot survive. Similarly, the moon can be represented by the mind in our body, and the sun can be represented by the soul of our body. We cannot imagine the existence of this solar system without the sun, and similarly, there is no life if we don't have any soul. So I think in such a way, we can learn that yes, indeed the world is one family. That's what we can learn from this solar system. So with this strong belief that we are one family, I would like to congratulate all of the members to take your part and to become very, very important person in this family. In fact, I would like to say some couplets for all the young minds. सागर के विशाल हृदय में जब कश्ती भी घबराए, साहिल दूर नजर न आए, तब माझी पार लगाए। जंगल के हर जर्रे में जब मौत को ताक लगाए, हिरणों की एक टोली को एक हिरण ही राह दिखाए। दुनिया की इस रणभूमि में जब देश हमारा डटा हुआ है, ले जाए विश्व शिखर पर वो नायक, यही कहीं खड़ा है। जरूरत है तो उस नायक को तलाशने की। वो एक वैज्ञानिक हो सकता है, वो एक इंजीनियर हो सकता है, वो एक टीचर हो सकता है, वो एक एंटरप्रेन्योर हो सकता है, वो एक इंडस्ट्रियलिस्ट हो सकता है। तो जरूरत है तो उस नायक को तलाशने की। और मुझे पूरा बिलीव है कि इन 10 सालों में हमने बहुत से नायक तलाशे हैं। आई रियली फील प्राउड टू सी द 11 स्टूडेंट्स who are doing a wonderful job in Japan through developing research and development. तो हमारी ये दौड़ कभी खत्म नहीं होने देंगे। Through the message that we are indeed one family. And with this, I would like to thank, and I think I feel myself very small to convey my thanks to all of you. And I would like to request Sri Rajesh sir, Sri Sanjay sir to please come and share with me the thanks note to all the people here. Please come. One family, and this is the message. And I would like to thank each the member of the organization, each of the member of the sponsor, and each of the member of this BIANI team. Thank you from bottom of our heart. And in Sanjay sir language, I would like to say 3 times. Thank you, thank you, thank you. मेहरबानी, शुक्रिया, 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 धन्यवाद, 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 अरिगातो, अरिगातो, अरिगातो। Thank you very much.